Hello guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Poco F1 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So without wasting time, let's start both of the smartphones. I have installed the Android Pie ROM on the Pocophone. So the Pocophone is having 6GB of RAM, Snapdragon 845, while the Note 9 is having 6GB of RAM and Exynos 9810. Both phones started at the same time. So first of all, let's test the fingerprint on both of the smartphones. So 3, 2, 1 and go. Faster on the Poco F1 again. Both were same. So both phones are connected with the same Wi-Fi network and not having any recent application in background. So let's start the test with the dialer in 3, 2, 1 and go. Both were same, a little bit faster on the Note 9. Let's open messaging application. Faster on the Note 9 again. Camera. Faster on the Note 9 again. Now let's open few third-party application and games. Let's start with Alto. Faster on the Note 9. Let's open 8-ball pool. A little bit faster on the Note 9. Let me know in the below comment section if I am wrong. Let's open Instagram. Faster on the Note 9. Subway Surfers. Again faster on the Note 9. Temple Run 2. Both were having same version. A little bit faster on the Note 9. Snapchat. Faster on the Note 9 again. Warlinks. Both were same. Let me know in the below comment section if I am wrong. Let's open YouTube application. Faster on the Note 9. Now it's time for RAM management. Let's check is there any app refreshes or not. Alto. Both were there. Subway Surfers. Both were there. Temple Run 2. Both were there, no refreshes. Let's open last application, YouTube. Both were there. This is it guys, thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to comment and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace out.